Hello guys, happy Tuesday. In this video, I am going to teach you how to stake XCN tokens. Yeah. So guys, if you are a big fan of XCN tokens, yeah, and you want to stake your XCN, this video is for you. If you are new to XCN and you want to buy XCN, yeah, the current price of XCN tokens is 0.02785 US dollars. Yeah, so guys, XCN is showing a positive sign. Yeah, XCN is up in 24 hours 12.20%. In 7 days, XCN blast off 153%. In 30 days, XCN skyrocketed 1151%. Yeah, in 90 days, yeah, XCN blast off 2174%. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy XCN. This is not a financial advice, yeah. I believe XCN will do well in the next bull run. So guys, if you are new to XCN, yeah, and you want to buy XCN from crypto exchange, if you have coin market cap, yeah, you can search for XCN. When you search for XCN, yeah, you will click on markets. Yeah, so guys, these are the listed crypto exchange where you can buy XCN tokens. Yeah, if you are interested in news on XCN, you will click on news. So guys, don't forget this. Yeah, if you have spare money, you can buy XCN. The price is a reasonable price, so guys, you can take advantage. So guys, if you want to stake XCN, yeah, if you have coin market cap, yeah, you will search for XCN website. You click on website, yeah. When you click on the XCN website, yeah, you will see the Onyx platform, yeah. So guys, you will search for XCN staking, yeah. You will click on learn more. So guys, when you click on learn more, you will see the staking platform. The first thing you will do is this: you will connect your wallet. Yeah. So guys, from my observation, yeah, you have to use an Ethereum wallet. An example is MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Yeah. So guys, this is what you will do. You will click on stake. When you click on stake, you will type the amount of XCN tokens you want to stake. If you want to unstake, you will click on withdraw. So guys, this is how to stake your XCN. If you want to store your XCN in the wallet, yeah, you can use Trust Wallet or you can use SafePal or MetaMask. So guys, don't forget this, yeah. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.